Hi guys, welcome to our m24.com YouTube channel. Name is Vadim. If you're new here, welcome. Today we will disassemble the smartphone Honor 50. Okay, I guess it is the first Honor model when they separated from the Huawei. Disassembly has the second difficulty in our difficulty rating classification and will be disassembled by detaching the back cover. Guys, as you can see, the back cover damaged, it's cracked on the one side, and we should open the back cover carefully as much as we can. We heated the back cover up to 70 Celsius degree on 158 degree Fahrenheit, and now we put our opening tool between the back cover and the display model frame and try to move around the corner and along of the edge. I guess we should spray some isopropyl alcohol to dry the adhesive base. Okay, and we try to move our opening tool along the edge. Try not to push the plastic or opening tool too far inside, and also because we don't know what is located under the back cover, we should be extremely careful. Okay, the specialist moved honestly it's not the opening tool and traditionally understanding. I guess it's more like the film or sheet, plastic sheet. We took it, we cut it from the protective film of the display and cut it onto the pieces and use it in our purpose. Okay, we remove some adhesive and continue to open the back cover. Yeah, I want to say that the smartphone, be careful of the place where the camera is located, because at this corner the adhesive may be glued harder, and also there is maybe try to avoid to damage camera lenses. Okay, try to pry carefully and move the plastic film along the corner. Spray. Honestly, I wouldn't spray isopropyl alcohol at this place where camera lenses. And I guess now the specialist should decide to move the plastic where the back cover was damaged and cracked. So he moved the film, and I guess he will try to open partially at least the cover and try to remove the adhesive base on some part of the cover. He pray again and he move plastic again too. Okay, I just want to say that when the Huawei and the Honor was separated, it is the first model for Honor, and I guess that the Huawei Nova 9 is the twin brother for the Honor 50, because they looks like identical, but I guess there has some difference on the motherboard, like a processor, etc. Okay, now the specialist try to put the plastic again and move at the place where was heated. Where was the core? Where the back core was exactly damaged. I see some dent and some cracks line. Okay, at this place we should be extremely careful. The back core not damaged totally, but and we in our task at this point to remove the core as a whole part. So we move the plastic carefully. We have a lot of time. Don't rush. Slowly but surely our motor. Okay, we spray isopropyl alcohol again and move the plastic again. Okay, try to pry carefully at this place. I guess the specialist will try to open the back cover now. Okay, and he chooses to use the larger plastic film, and I guess he will use the two-man saw techniques, I call it, and try to bend it at the back cover. Carefully move the plastic down and try to bend it in the opposite side. It's always difficult to remove the adhesive base at the place where the camera is located, at this corner, because there always the adhesive base glued harder. I don't know why, but also there is not too much place to do our thing. We can move the plastic at this place freely. Okay, now the specialist may open the back cover freely. I guess the smartphone has not been disassembled before us. Yeah. Because I guess the adhesive base look like original one. Okay, at this place the coaxial cable was removed for its place because we opened the back cover. So when I tell you guys about to be extremely careful, you should remember that under the cover may be the coaxial cables or any cables. So you see that. Okay, we remove the adhesive or gasket because we need to unscrew all screws at the top and bottom, and under the gasket we see there is few screws. We take a screwdriver, Phillips 1.5 millimeters or Phillips #30, and unscrew all screws. I guess all screws are the same, but anyway, be careful. Some screw may be not magnetic, especially at the place where the camera is located. And also, guys, as you can see, there is a warranty sticker on the one screw, so I can say for sure the smartphone has not been disassembled before us. Okay. And screw. Yeah, as I said before, the Honor 50 has its identical brother, Huawei Nova 9, and there looks like the same inside and outside, but some parts like a processor, maybe cameras, maybe RAM, maybe something else, maybe different, but I think that you can use this guide like instruction to open the back cover or remove the motherboard on your Huawei Nova 9. Yeah, I guess so. Okay, the specialist unscrew the screw with a warranty sticker, and now you pry and try to open the cover. This cover protects the motherboard and holds the cameras. Also it has the film, protective film, maybe even with NFC tag, maybe. Remove the frame camera. No, we will not remove the camera frame right now. And now we should disconnect the connectors. Don't use metal or don't use metal tools, just non-metal or plastic tools, because the motherboard is still powered. You carefully disconnect. I guess that for the Chinese models, 2 batteries connectors and 2 battery system inside one is solution for the fast charging. I don't know, 2 tanks in 1 battery. Okay, we use opening tool and remove the tray for SIM cards and maybe for memory card too. Okay, unscrew the screws on the lower part. We use also the same screwdriver, 1.5 millimeters or Phillips H30. Okay. Yeah, what about the battery with 2 tanks? I saw them a lot on many models, on many Chinese models. I don't know, is it best solution or worse or better for something, but I guess it's all about the fast charging. Okay, we unscrew all screws. I guess it's the last one. And now we should remove the cover. This cover is usually with a loudspeaker attached to it. Carefully pry and try to remove. At this place we should be extremely careful. And now, oh no, the specialists broke the gasket for the charging port, I guess. Oh my god, again. He turned it off. Guys, never do this. It is the gasket that helps hold the charging port, maybe even protect from the liquid. So never try to tear it off. We disconnect the coaxial cables. They both attached to the subboard, and now we disconnect interboard cable connector, and I guess it is fingerprint sensor connector too. And now we can remove the subboard. Yeah, we remove the subboard, and I guess we should repair our gasket that was torn off. I think the specialist will do this because it was his mistake. Yeah, on the charger. On the subboard we have the charging port, cards holder, microphone, some elements for antennas, etc. And we put the subboard aside. There is a fingerprint sensor and vibration motor. We disconnect the coaxial cables. Yeah, and now we should, I guess, remove the cameras. Guys, in our guide today, you see the two mistakes that made the specialist, and please avoid them as much as you can, because he broke the gasket and he catch the coaxial cable and he may damage it too. For example, if he were use the metal tool, he may break the coaxial cable. So guys, please be careful, try to avoid any damages in the process when you try to open the back cover or any cover. And please don't use in the process a metal tool, better to use a plastic one or a metal one. Okay, now we disconnect the connector and remove the rear camera, and we disconnect connector and remove the front or selfie camera, and we disconnect connectors and remove 3 rear camera, and now we should of course remove the frame. Guys, please consider our mistakes like opportunity for you to see the mistakes that may be made in the process of the disassembly. So try to avoid everything. And now the specialist point at the cameras has different shapes, and I guess the passive head sync system on the motherboard for cameras has the different shapes for all cameras, to not mistake everything. And we disconnect the display module connector and we disconnect interboard cable connector. Now we take Phillips H3O screwdriver and unscrew 2 screws securing the motherboard. And now we remove the motherboard. And here we see the head sync, passive head sync the system 2. On the display model frame we see the earpiece speaker, the battery, vibration motor, fingerprint sensor, and I guess we're done. Thank you for watching. If you like our new video format, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Watch our new guides on our website, write your comments, and please take care of yourself. Hi guys, thank you for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe, share, rate us, and see you in the next video.